got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How y'all doing? How you doing?
Good, how about yourself?
All right. You demo on this thing?
What's that?
You demo on this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got you a demo.
All right, appreciate it. Let's sit this right there. Got a lot back there, man.
3 ZV618s on 3 JP83s. Plays lows, it's a 6th order.
Looking good.
Smell was whipping.
That thing windy, man.
Yeah, Windy Jimmy.
Yeah, windy. Where can they find you at on Instagram, social media, anywhere like that?
Hurt So Good 330 on both TikTok and Instagram, and then James Taylor on Facebook.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow, man.
Yeah,
appreciate it, man. Nice, man. You still rolling? Yeah, you still subscribe to this man's YouTube page, alright? You hear me? Alright, so appreciate it, man. Tell him.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.